Okay, hey guys, welcome back to howtobuycrypto.com. Today we're going to be talking about a bloodbath, man. We're seeing some serious pullback over the whole market. I'm going to go ahead and just move over and look at Poloniex and show you guys, what's happening here. There's a wall of red across the whole the whole market, and you can definitely consider this as we might be reaching the low of the market. And so consider that as you're, considering what to do, whether buying or selling. If you look here, earlier this morning when I woke up around, what was it, around 5 or 6 this morning, it was like under 98 billion. And now we're up to 99. So this might be, a little bit of flux going into the weekend, and we'll see what the market does. But you can definitely consider, start considering this may be looking like the bottom for this trend. And I want to show you here quickly, guys, the more, let me give some disclaimers here. But the more that I look at the charts, I feel like I'm getting, more and more confident with my understanding of it. But the truth is, the more people that I talk to that know how to read charts and understand technical analysis a lot better than I do, the more they are telling me in the crypto market, there's not enough data to go by to say, that, what the standards are yet, and that, that there are, there's obviously no absolutes, but just to be, to be able to understand and anticipate the market, it's much more difficult with cryptocurrencies than with other markets. And by no means do I think that, we're going to see the cryptos, dip by another 50%, or 50% total. But if they do, guys, I'm going to be looking at as a 50% off sale and buying into the market. Actually, I'm already considering how many thousands of dollars I want to put in right now because of, the dip across the market. And, you're looking at 20 to 30% dip overall. So that's like 20 to 30% sale on all these cryptos. So, consider that if you're looking for a time to buy in. And let's go ahead and look here real quick at something that I saw on Poloniex here. So I'm out on the USDT tab. You can see Bitcoin to US dollar pairing. And I was looking this morning, and I'm going to go back to the 1 month. And you can see here, the trend is still up. If you're looking over here at the, $1,739 from a month ago to what's the last price here, $22.60. So we're definitely still a solid swing up. But I want to bring it back into the 2 weeks, and you can see right here. We'll go 1 week, and okay. Let me just make it. You can see it on the 2 week and the 1 week, but here it's a lot more clear on the 4 day and the 2 day. This could be considered, and like I said, there's no absolutes, guys. This is just kind of looks like to me a very small double bottom, okay, like a W, right? But they call them like Adam and Eve. There's a sharp spike and there's a more rounded spike, dip, excuse me. Here. And if this is the Adam and Eve double bottom, then we are seeing the bottom likely of the dip, and we will see, we'll see maybe continue to rise. I already am seeing, the prices come back up from where they were, but look at that, 20% change and even more, on some of these. So if you guys are looking for points to get in, actually, I think the only thing up right now considerably was, look at this, library credits 42%, man, that's crazy. So if you're holding library credits, that might be holding up your portfolio. Anyway, so yeah, look, guys, over, the market is considerably lower than yesterday. Was at 104 billion, and but like I said, it was lower than this earlier, so it could be going up. Consider that with whatever you're looking at as far as buying and selling, and the points that you're looking to get in at. This is where it helps to have rules, helps to have goals that you're looking at, areas that you're wanting to get in and areas you're wanting to get out. I tell people that I consult with, that you want to have goals before you put money into the market, where your entry point is and where your exit is. Because if you go in without a plan, a lot of times that's when emotions take over, and you miss, if you don't have a goal, then you don't have a bottom. And if you don't, have a bottom, then you can sell too low. And if you don't have a goal for the top end too, you can, buy in too high. So this is a great point to get in. Like I said, it's the whole market's on sale right now. So I'm going to be putting in some more money. And I believe, like I said, we might be looking at the bottom for Bitcoin. So for those of you that buy Bitcoin. Now, I did want to also talk about Coinbase. Okay, Manny was saying he was having some trouble moving some money around, and I do want to address that, guys. It is bittersweet, because that means that there's still a lot of people trying to get into Coinbase, and that's one of the reasons that they're having a lot of trouble. It could be unrelated, but I tend to think that all this trouble didn't happen a couple of months ago. A couple of months ago it was easy, Coinbase, no trouble. Whereas these last couple of months it's been crazy with people getting in, and Coinbase is saying over 40,000 people in a day are trying to sign up and move money around. So this isn't volumes that they'd seen before. And so I still think it's the number one easiest way to get into the market, to buy and sell, the top three cryptos, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. It was Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And, so take that how you will. But also I want to say, let me switch the screen one more time. That, Manny, this is also something to consider. Okay, here's your dashboard there. This is my account. I've got some Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. And guys, I always keep some in my accounts just to move around. So you can click on the buy and sell tab and click here. Okay, so it's on the bit, and you see I've got 1.39 Bitcoin here. There's the value of it. Instead, you got to consider pulling some profit, guys. So if you have some Bitcoin sitting on another exchange, that you're waiting to buy into something, or possibly if you have something that you're wanting to, you have money that you want to buy into something, you want to buy in ahead of time. And so that if it's already in your account, then you can buy into, if you're looking at Ethereum, Litecoin, or Ethereum. But one way to do is to buy Bitcoin so that you already have it available here, and you can sell from your Bit wallet into your USD wallet on Coinbase, and just have it sitting here in cash to go into Ethereum or Litecoin or Bitcoin, later if you, for whatever reason. Oh, okay. So like if you wanted to move that Bitcoin over to another exchange, you could leave it here in USD. And see, I leave it in Bitcoin because it says instant. I can sell easily into my USD wallet if I wanted to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. But generally, I move from Coinbase to Poloniex and Bittrex and other exchanges. So anyhow, that's one option. Now you're going to have to, I think, from now on, be considering that the moving money around is not going to be as easy as it once was. And so you got to anticipate that and move money earlier than everybody else. And also, as well, you want to take profits before everybody else is, ideally, right? It doesn't always work out that way, but so from now on, you got to consider getting in your money early. So buying Bitcoin ahead of time, buying Ethereum or Litecoin that you can sell just to hold money onto, Coinbase, if that's the way you want to do it. Or, just buying into Bitcoin, holding Bitcoin there, and then moving it when you want to make, your purchases and, depending on your goals, depending on what you're looking at. But guys, we have to look at the market different. It's not as easy as it used to be. And a lot more people are getting in, but that means a lot more gains are going to be had. So, like I said, take that as you will. And hey, guys, you guys want to predict a bottom on Bitcoin and Ethereum, or what do you think, the price is going to be by the end of the week? Why don't you leave a comment, or, if you guys have any questions, you can email me at myquicktip@gmail.com. You can message me on Facebook on the, the group chat. I'm really enjoying the questions. I'm really having fun interacting with you guys. So hopefully you're benefiting from this, and leave a like on the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're on YouTube, move over to the group on Facebook, and vice versa. If you're on Facebook, go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And that way you have notifications on every platform when we're talking, what we're talking about, and, the things that we're looking at. So pretty much that's it for me today, guys. God bless you. Hopefully you got something out of this, and you're watching the market and not going crazy. Treat it like gold and hold it, and stack those cryptos. All right. I'll talk to you later.